Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, and fellow educators, today, I stand before you to discuss the importance of education in our great nation. Education is not just a pathway to personal success, but a cornerstone of our society, driving progress, innovation, and prosperity. It is the key to unlocking our collective potential and building a brighter future for all. Our education system, from elementary schools to universities, plays a critical role in shaping the minds and characters of our youth. It equips them with the knowledge and skills needed to thrive in an ever-changing world. It cultivates critical thinking, creativity, and problem-solving abilities, which are essential in addressing the challenges of the 21st century. In the United States, we value diversity and inclusion. Our educational institutions provide a platform for students from various backgrounds, cultures, and walks of life to come together, learn from one another, and grow as global citizens. It is through education that we promote tolerance, respect, and understanding among our citizens, fostering a harmonious and united society. Our educators are the heart and soul of our education system. They dedicate themselves to nurturing the next generation, inspiring curiosity, and igniting a passion for lifelong learning. Their dedication and hard work are essential in shaping the minds of future leaders, innovators, and change-makers. As we look to the future, we must adapt to the evolving landscape of education. Technology has transformed the way we teach and learn, and we must embrace it to remain competitive on a global scale. E-learning, online resources, and digital tools have become invaluable supplements to traditional classroom instruction. Additionally, we must continue to prioritize funding for education. Adequate resources are essential to ensure that every student, regardless of their background, has access to a high-quality education. Quality education should not be a privilege but a right for every American child. In conclusion, education is the cornerstone of our nation's success. It empowers individuals to reach their full potential and contributes to the growth and prosperity of our society. It is our responsibility to nurture the minds of our youth, invest in our educators, and adapt to the changing landscape of education. By doing so, we can ensure that our nation remains a beacon of knowledge, innovation, and opportunity for all. Thank you, and let us continue to champion the cause of education in the United States.